If you have ever made a list of your expenses for the month, you might have noticed that it is easier to list your expenses in different categories. Snacks can be put together, expenses on drink, candy and other things can all have separate lists. A petty cash book is a ledger account with a lot of columns. These columns are called analysis columns and are also used to divide payments into different categories. The number of columns and the type of expenses will be determined by the business. A petty cash book has a date column, details column, folio column, and a total received column on the debit side. On the credit side, it has a date column, details column, total paid column, voucher number column, and columns for expenses. If you had a petty cash book for your monthly expenses, you will likely have drinks, snacks, candy, and other items in your expenses columns. To prepare the petty cash book, any money received from the main cashier is debited in the total received column. Money from other sources is also debited in the total received column. Expenses are credited, the details are written in details column, and the amount is recorded in the column for that expense. At the end of the period, the total paid column is added and all expenses columns are added too. The total of all expenses should be equal to the total paid column. The balance on the total received column is carried down to balance the credit side. In the general ledger, the total analysis for each expense should be debited to complete the double entry. Just like your monthly expenses can be classified into different expenses, expenses in the petty cash book can be classified too in the analysis column. Hope you had fun in my class. See you in my next class.